Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15 till the 21st of December 2025. Hmm. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story, honey, because it's general, it might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind, okay? Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. We have Six of Swords, Queen of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck is a World card. There is some kind of a completion of a cycle in this dynamics. This completion of a cycle might mean that you guys are coming together, the pain is over, and everything is getting back to normal. And or you guys are finally able to let things go, and you guys are finally able to close this chapter for good this time. Whatever it is, there is still some kind of unfinished business in this situation, in this dynamics, that you guys are trying to finish with each other. Okay, that's the underlying energy. Consciously, we have the Six of Swords, Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. You guys are moving on towards calmer water, finding peace in whatever is happening, finding peace in moving forward and letting go of the past baggages one day at a time. And you guys are very focused on self love, self care, self healing. And even if there is love, even if there are emotions involved in the situation, you guys are just keeping it to them, keeping it to yourself from both the sides. And both of you are very focused on taking things really very slow and making it very grounded, mature, and sorted, whatever direction you guys are proceeding in, whether it's coming together in a beautiful way or splitting apart, even if it is just for the time being. Maybe you guys are taking a break from each other or something like that. For some of you, you guys are in a long distance kind of a deal that is creating more issues. I don't see any issues, to be honest with you. You guys are supreme, like you guys are beautifully connected to each other on an emotional level. um, both of you can feel each other's energies, but there are certain kind of issues that are kind of making things very slow or delayed or stagnant. Hmm? So there is this energy of, okay, let's handle this situation with love, with care, with the slow and steady wins the race kind of energy. Okay, so the mutual energy here is a lot of self love, self care, self healing from both the sides, and emotions involved from both the sides, but keeping it to yourself. The lesson here is like typically the typical energy of slow and steady is going to win the race. Whatever is supposed to happen in the situation, you will be able to get the answers properly, but it is going to take time. So patience is the key here. Okay, my love, Cappies, let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cappies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Cappies. We have the Two of Pentacles. Okay, things are kind of up in the air right now. They are confused, or there are energies of one day you guys are feeling stable, one day you guys are not. There is a little bit of confusion here going on. Things are not that much sorted. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. We have the Nine of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is feeling like they should keep their guards up, because there are certain things that are not clear between you guys. This person is feeling you might be doing something behind their back, and you might be trying to hide something from them. There is some kind of sneaky energy, or there is some kind of deceptive energies around the situation. They might be feeling like you are hiding something from them, and that is creating this on and off, in and out, full like up in the air kind of energy. But this person is trying their best to keep their calm, keep an open mind, keep a stable energy, grounded energy. Wow. So it can be small thing. Maybe they got to know something about you, like a habit of yours, right? Or something big also. You know better than me. But this person is feeling like they should not get hurt again, and they feel like they should keep their guards up because they know something that you haven't revealed. Maybe they're having a what we call that, they're having a miscommunication, not miscommunication, misunderstanding about you, right? But they feel like there is something off here, but they're trying their best to keep things grounded from their side. They feel like, okay, maybe you are going to tell it to them, or everything is going to be revealed, or something like that. But they feel like they should not let themselves get hurt again for whatever reason. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Death card. From your side, you feel like things are totally different from what they used to be, and they're never going to be the same again. There's a huge transformation in this dynamics, and or something ended here. Some kind, this bond ended, or like this connection, some kind of breakup, separation, something happened, and you feel like you will never be able to give this situation the kind of love that you used to give. Everything is different for you now. Everything is changed. Let's clarify the death here. We have the Five of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Eight of Swords, right? You're feeling left out in the cold by the whole situation. You were feeling, not feeling right now, but now you're feeling like you should listen to your intuition, and keep yourself guarded. But the way you are trying to do it, you're listening to your mind. Your mind is continuously creating scenarios and stories. Your mind is keeping you trapped, and you feel like your mind is telling you the truth, and you feel like this is the brand new beginning, this is how I should proceed. So you feel trapped by your own thoughts, right? You were feeling left out in the cold by something or someone, but eventually you are feeling like, okay, let me just have a brand new beginning in my life and let go of this chapter. But your mind is continuously telling you lies and manipulating you into thinking that the things that are not even true, and you are considering it as the truth. That is what is happening with you. Happens with all of us, right? We all do that. That's very humanly, nothing wrong. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? We have the Five of Pentacles. Their intention here is to, okay, get out of the losses. This person is hurt. They're hurt. They are feeling left out in the cold. They are feeling like you're hiding something. You're being mysterious and secretive. Let me clarify this. Something is happening. Maybe there's nothing wrong. Maybe you are just doing your own thing and not telling them much about your own personal life. And they're taking it as some kind of deception or something. I don't know. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here. We have the Strength card, the Seven of Cups, and the Star. Right. You know, they want to hold on to this hope that someday this confusion is going to be over. Someday you guys are not going to have any kind of secretive or mysterious energies between you guys, and someday everything is going to be fine and healed. So they want to hold back their horses. They are like, okay, I should not blame Capricorn for anything. Maybe they're just doing their own thing. Maybe they are also overwhelmed like me. Maybe they are also having thousand things to do in their life. So I should not rely on the negativity or my head creating the stories or scenarios. I should keep the energies open for them to talk to me someday, and everything is going to be fine between us guys. This is what they want. This is what their intention is. This is a very pure and genuine intention actually. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? The Lovers. From your side, you want to make the right choice or right decision here. Maybe you're having two people or two energies to choose from, or you simply don't want to make any choice or decision based on infatuation only. Okay, one of you is wanting this situation to go forward. One of you is distracted by something else or someone else, right? Let's clarify the lovers here. And I'm distracted by the mosquito here. Zzz. Fine. Let's clarify the lovers. We have the Page of Wands, the Hanged Man, the Five of Swords. Yeah, you want to keep things, casual, friendly. You don't want to keep yourself stuck in a situation where all you are getting is stress and negativity. Okay, so you want to make the choice or decision of keeping things friendly and open to communicate and moving forward without any kind of heavy and burdensome kind of energies in this dynamics. You definitely want to see things from a different perspective, and you definitely want your person to see things from your perspective too. And you want a light and open hearted energy so that you guys can talk about it like friends. And there is no stress, there is no negativity, there is no um, bad kind of vibes, bad energies in the situation. You don't want to stress about it, right? So you want to keep things normal and casual and friendly and open to the idea of healing, but not very seriously. Okay, if this is making any sense, this is what it is. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 21st of December, Cappies. Two of Swords. Okay, okay, it's like being on the crossroads, not being able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you guys. So little bit closed off energies, not little bit, actually quite closed off. Let's clarify the Two of Swords here. We have the Queen of Swords, the Judgment, and the Moon card. You guys are seeking for clarity and truth in the situation, but either one of you or both of you are not able to speak up. You guys are not able to express, you guys are not able to reveal, you guys are not able to get out of your fears, and nothing is going to change because none of you is buzzing in. None of you is able to, understand how to tackle the situation, how to handle the situation. Yeah, you guys are trying your best to, just let go and keep things very very clear, very very like clear cut and practical, right? But there is a lot of fears, a lot of secretive mysterious energies going on behind the scenes, that one of you is definitely hiding something here, hiding something or someone behind the other person's back, and the other person can sense it but they can't point a finger on that, right? And that is creating more and more issues and more uh, closed off energies. So basically, whatever is happening right now, it's going to continue for this week, and the other person will create more and more scenarios and stories that the one of you is hiding something, and one, like, you are the one to blame here and something like that. It's not going anywhere. It's up in the air. The saga continues, right? Let's see the guidance for you guys here in for this week, Cappies. We have Five of Cups and the Queen of Wands and the Temperance. You cannot manifest a brand new life unless you are going to become what you want, right? Right now you are hurt from inside. You are hurt, you are confused, you are disappointed in this department of your life, not in general, not in every area of your life. Something is disappointing you. You might be holding on to some kind of experience or experiences. You might be crying over spilled milk. You are going to have, right now you might be having some kind of guilt and or regret. But with this kind of energy, you are trying to manifest a brand new life, a brand new chapter, a brand new you, and you're trying to be as patient with yourself as you can, honey, until unless you are going to work from the roots. Whatever is bothering you, whatever is making you feel like shit from inside, you will not be able to manifest anything in your life. You're going to attract more and more of pain. So work on this energy of healing yourself properly from inside. Then the manifestation game is going to naturally work in your favor, right? Whatever you're going to manifest from this kind of energy, inside of you, you are crying, and outside you're affirming that everything is good and fine. That's not going to work out. You guys have to work on the root, and then slowly but surely things will start working out in your favor the way it should. But you have to work on the root of the problem, not just on the surface. Okay, my love. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate with you. Please keep that in mind, honey. It's general, okay? And I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to answer the question, and 10 to 15. And if that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like to get the answer, okay? So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. Get more information is like don't go anywhere, don't make any kind of choice until unless you're 100% sure that this is the right thing to do. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as this initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances. That's the answer. It is not a yes, it is not a no, but you have to get more information before about the situation before proceeding further, before making any kind of choice or decision here. That's it. I spit on myself. I spit on myself. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you, honey. Namaste.